What is up, everyone? Recently, a while back, I did an unboxing video of a 2019 Dell Latitude E7 450, refurbished version from Amazon. So in the last video, I did like a quick unboxing and a first impression video of it. If you want to check that out, I'm just gonna link that in the description below. But yeah, in this video, we're gonna be focusing more on just kind of exploring inside the laptop, seeing what kind of programs are installed, and seeing what kind of games we can play. But yeah, without further ado, let's get straight into the segment. Apologies in advance for the audio quality. Alright, what's up everyone? So I finally got OBS installed. And looking here, you can see what apps are installed. Pretty standard stuff. I don't see anything I would classify as bloatware. So it has Skype, some games, Solitaire, information about my desktop. Yes, processor, RAM, cool. And I'm using Windows 10 Pro. When I get this device, I'm assuming everything should be like empty. But as you can see here, this was left over from whoever was inspecting it. So this PC, so I have like 206 gigs left. What is this? Mixed Reality Portal. I've never seen this before. Let's not. Let me see if I can download some games on here. Microsoft Store. Asphalt 8. And it's a game I like very much. Let me see if this machine can run it. The installation of my favorite game has been completed. Asphalt 8 Airborne. Let's get started. Right, I'm gonna have to cut the audio off there because I don't want to get a copyright strike. Not that I know how it works. But anyways, you can see we're just kind of getting into the game. There is some noticeable lag. Let's see, yeah, as I close that pop-up, you can notice that it's a bit slow, the transitions. But yeah, without further ado, after skipping the ads, let's check out an example gameplay. So the gameplay itself is playable, I would say. Like you can see here, I don't have an FPS monitor, but it doesn't look too bad. It's not like it's noticeably lagging. And you can see here when I change the view to this, it is very playable even with this view. This kind of wraps up the gaming portion of the test, and now let's check out internet web browsing. Okay, so let's say, I don't know, let's go to like Reddit. Cool. Yeah, I assume this laptop should be able to handle something like that. What about YouTube? So it does take a while to load. It's not super fast. Okay. Let's check out my awesome channel, 58 views.
So yeah, it's definitely not snappy, but it works. Now another thing I want to test is what if I just have multiple tabs? Yeah, let's test out a browser game. Slither.io. Would that work? Okay, we're getting some problems here. Okay. Slithery. Sure, whatever. So my experience so far is it's not smooth, but it's playable for sure. Nice. All right. Ah, I died. As you can see, it takes a bit to load, but that's okay. Nick. Okay. Then I'll call myself Brick. It's quite laggy. That's all I can say. Like you can see, the blob. Another game I want to try is Type Racer. So this tests if, let's say, the keyboard's comfortable to type on, and also if it lags. As for typing speed, yeah, it is slower than my usual, but I think that's because I'm trying to get used to the keyboard.
This pretty much concludes my very amateur review of this laptop. So after kind of looking around a bit, I would say it's pretty good for like light tasks if you're just doing some browsing, I don't know, document editing, some basic stuff like that. It should have no problems. Some light gaming works too. I've played a couple of games and I didn't have much issues. The only thing I cannot test is how long the laptop will last, because it is a refurbished laptop, some components are used, so as for longevity, that is uncertain. But anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this kind of content, please consider liking and subscribing. And as always, if you have any questions or comments or concerns, leave them in the comment section below.
Before I start recording, this is the amount of battery left. 51 minutes.